Psittacus erythicus, the African gray parrot, is easily one of the most intelligent birds on the planet with a lifespan of well over 50 years. Known for their extraordinary vocabulary and capacity for learning, the African gray can actually understand and use human language. A lesser-known fact about these birds is that they're also known as the world's original feather duster, useful for a multitude of tasks around the house. This beak, for example, is ideal for opening up bottles. Thank you, honey. This tail is perfect for painting those hard-to-get places on the wall between stucco. They can easily soak up a spilled drink or dust off a dirty table. As you can see, the uses of an African gray parrot around the house are absolutely endless.